Gitakdang maglusad og End Polio Goes sa Broadway ang Rotary Club Kalayaan Cagayan de Oro sa umaabot Oktubre 26 ning tuig 2025 alas 6 sa gabii sa City Tourism Hall, Cagayan de Oro City. Kini ang gipahibalo sa grupo atol sa press conference adlang Miyerkules nga gipahigayon sa Capital University Medical Center Conference Room. Gipasabot ni Lilit Layagon ang project chair nga ang kalihukan aron paghatag og awareness aron mawagtang ang kaso sa polio.
Rotary and its partners have been at the forefront of this global fight, bringing us closer than ever to a world free of polio. Today's event is not just about raising awareness. It's about reaffirming our shared commitment to protect every child and every community to protect every child, every community from this preventable disease. We hope that this shared commitment will eventually give us vital results in eradicating polio.
Si Rhea Matela, kinsa End Polio Club Chair nihatag sa detalye sa gitakdang dakong kalihukan ug lakip sa iyang gipasabot ang padayon nga proactive aron na maprotektahan ang kabataan batok sa sakit nga polio.
It is with a special event commemorating the World Polio Day on October 24. This meaningful celebration is part of the Rotary Club of Kalayaan and the Rotaract Club of Kalayaan CDO's continued commitment to creating a world free from polio. World Polio Day 2025 will be observed on October 24th worldwide. This date commemorates the birthday of Dr. Jonas Salk, the medical researcher who developed the first successful polio vaccine. Polio still matters because polio is not yet gone. The wild polio virus continues to circulate in a few countries, which means that no country is truly safe until every country is polio-free.
Gihatag sab niini ang kinatibuk ang detalye kalabot sa End Polio Goes Broadway.
26, 6 p.m. starts at 6 p.m. Our ticket is cost 200 pesos for 250 and for students wala na. Okay, so that's 250 across.
Samtang si Bernard Castro, ang president sa Rotaract Kalayaan Cagayan de Oro, ni pasabot sa konsepto sa gitakdang Broadway sa umaabot Oktubre 24.
The concept of this one is not just, as what they mentioned earlier, it's not just about entertainment, but an entertainment that creates awareness towards polio and polio. So I am proud to say that majority of our members in Rotary Club of Kalayaan CDO are performers. Not just performers selling houses, but they using their talents as a source of income. So we have performers that champions of the voice generation. We have performers who were able to compete in Tawag ng Tangalan, and performers also who are using their talents in performing in different hotels in Cagayan de Oro City. So the concept is, again, also to promote the local talents in Cagayan de Oro City, at the same time entertainment and education towards End Polio. So it's like hitting three birds in one stone.
Si Maya Poblete, ang scriptwriter sa End Polio Goes Broadway, ni pasabot sa kamahimnong-danon sa kalihukan.
For ending wild poliovirus cases, but also for promoting immunization. End Polio Goes Broadway is like what Richard said. It's a unique way of promoting awareness about the End Polio Now campaign. Why Broadway or why a musical? Because uso man ang musical theater, di ba? And that all of us can, let's say, afford to go to Manila and watch these musicals. So we were thinking, why not make our own version and like let the people enjoy also kanang mga maka-experience po sila, let's say, Miss Taikon, Miss Daraab, Dear Evan Hansen.
Sa iyang bahin, si Maricel Rivera, ang Community Service Director sa Rotary Club Kalayaan Cagayan de Oro, ni pasabot nganong gipalapdan nila ang advokasya alang sa pagwagtang sa polio.
Advocacy of the Rotary International since 1948, 1948 ba? Am I correct? Pero na-address na yun siya, no? Kumpara sa uban ng mga diseases and uban pa ng mga sakit nga itong ka-encounter these days. But, dinhita sa advocacy, gusto na mo nga i-push, especially for young people, nagapanganak sila, because as you remember, di ba din sa atong, din sa mga mama dire, di ba gapa-inject man ta, gapa-bakuna ta sa atong mga babies when they are newborn? Yes. Dato ta sa center. We'd like to push this one because kami sa Rotary, especially no sa mga kabataan karon nga sayo ga panganak, sayo ga minyo, no naasad mi programa na. We also have the advocacy for teenage mothers. Basin dili na conscious sa mga bata karon anang bakuna. So kinahanglan nato siya nga i-push nga dapat magpabakuna gyud. Although it's offered in our health centers now, pero basin o kakumpiyansa na ta, kay dili kayo na ta conscious ana. Although lugar karon ng mga kabataan, diha naman kay ano man na sila no kanang mga young mothers. Gabakunahan naman, if I'm not mistaken mga taga-CU, di ba gabakunahan naman sa PISA hospital pa lang. Pero naabyan na siya yung mga succeeding sessions sa health center. Na usahay dili na nagagaatimanan sa atong mga kabataan. Nga mga ginikanan na. Ako na rin gisingit because we are also active in our campaign for caring for our teenage mothers. Because remember, in Northern Mindanao, taas kayo ang atong incidence of teenage pregnancy. And dili lang man ang problema sa teenage pregnancy. We are also pushing for smart parenting para sa atong mga teenage mothers. And ang kining consciously pagpabakuna sa ilahang mga babies, ang pilang polio should be taken seriously by our teenage mothers.
Sa iyang panapos nga mensahe ni Attorney Aiza Bronayri Maunting Alonto, ang presidente sa Rotary Club nang hingusog sa pagwagtang sa polio. Taliwala pa man anaa na lamang sa 1% ang kaso niini. Apan buot nining mahatagan og awareness nga gikinahanglan gihapon na pag-ayo ang pagpabakuna.
0.01% na lang for it to become endemic, no? So here in CDO, the outbreak, there was a minor outbreak that was 2019, but by June 3 of 2021, the outbreak was already it already ended in CDO and also I think in the whole Philippines. And then so kaning among mga gabuhaton sa Rotary, although diba 0.01% na lang ta, we now, with DOH and other government agencies, we focus on immunization. Like, kasi di ta magkumpiyansa pa, because it could, there can be an outbreak again in the future. So to prevent that, we still have these programs, mga initiatives, activities on end polio para dili siya mabalik. And also, Rotary is not just in CDO, it's international. In District 3870, we have 48 clubs.
Sa wala pa usab gitapos ang press conference, naghatag usab og pasampol alang sa gitakdang End Polio Goes Broadway si Raven Zamora og nagpaambit sa iyang talento.
All the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars that steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still to live. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough.
Sa mga gusto mo avail sa ticket, mapalit kini sa ilang official Facebook page, ang Rotary Club Kalayaan Cagayan de Oro City. Kini si Miss Steph Berganyo sa Miss Radio. Mo balita, mo alagad, mo lingaw.